Hey everyone, you're driving down a bustling street, enjoying the breeze through your open window. Suddenly, your car's engine sputters and dies. You pull over, heart pounding, and try to figure out what went wrong. As you check under the hood, you notice a small, rectangular component nestled among a tangle of wires. It's a relay, and it might be the culprit behind your car's malfunction. Hook. Ever wondered how to troubleshoot a relay bank and whether it's the real culprit behind your car's problems? Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of relays, learn how they work, and discover the step-by-step process to check a relay bank. Understanding relays. Relays are essentially electrical switches that control the flow of current. They're often used in cars to power various components, such as headlights, horns, and fuel pumps. When a relay receives a signal, it activates a switch, allowing current to flow to the component it controls. There are two main types of relays, electromagnetic and solid-state. Electromagnetic relays use a coil to activate a mechanical switch, while solid-state relays use electronic components. Both types serve the same purpose, but they operate differently. Identifying the relay bank. Before you can check a relay bank, you need to locate it. The relay bank is usually a cluster of relays mounted on a base plate. It's often found under the hood, near the fuse box. Consult your car's owner's manual for the exact location. Gathering tools and materials. Asterisk. To check a relay bank, you'll need a few basic tools. Asterisk. A multimeter. Asterisk. A relay tester, optional. Asterisk. A screwdriver, if necessary. Asterisk. A wiring diagram for your car. Safety first. Before you start working on your car, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Asterisk. Park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Asterisk. Turn off the ignition and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shocks. Asterisk. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any debris or sparks. Visual inspection. Start by conducting a visual inspection of the relay bank. Look for any signs of damage, such as burned connectors, loose wires, or corrosion. If you notice any abnormalities, it's likely that the relay bank is faulty. Checking relays individually. Asterisk. If the visual inspection doesn't reveal any obvious problems, you'll need to test each relay individually. Here's how to do it. Locate the relay. Identify the relay that controls the component you suspect is malfunctioning. Remove the relay. Carefully pull the relay out of its socket. Test the relay. Use a multimeter or relay tester to check if the relay is functioning properly. Follow the instructions provided with your testing equipment. Replace the relay. If the relay is faulty, replace it with a new one. Ensure that the new relay is compatible with your car's electrical system. Testing the circuit. Once you've replaced the faulty relay, test the circuit to see if the problem is resolved. Turn on the ignition and activate the component that was previously malfunctioning. If the component works as expected, the relay was indeed the culprit. Additional troubleshooting tips. Asterisk. If replacing the relay doesn't solve the problem, there might be other issues affecting the circuit. Here are some additional troubleshooting tips. Asterisk. Check for blown fuses. A blown fuse can prevent current from flowing to the component. Asterisk. Inspect the wiring. Look for any damaged or loose wires that might be causing a short circuit. Asterisk. Test the component. If the relay and circuit are working properly, test the component itself to ensure it's not faulty. Conclusion. Checking a relay bank can be a relatively straightforward task, but it requires patience and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can effectively troubleshoot your car's electrical problems and get back on the road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.